Good morning, folks. We're going right to spaceweathernews.com to see that after that filament release top left, the sun went calm. Even with the SDO eclipse, we can tell there were no more CMEs, and no flashes of X-ray solar flares can be seen but for a faint hint of the new spots incoming. But even there, we're looking at no higher than low B-class flaring. The departing sunspots don't have much going for them, and the incomers appear to be twin negative umbras that would need some help if they wanted to rock and roll. Folks, the coronal hole stream impacting from the departed opening appears to be very weak. This also explains why rare location quakes have prevailed as opposed to large magnitudes. Weak coronal hole means weak seismic triggering. And again, the rare location rumbles steal the show. That is just absurd. Little Quakey took a wrong turn at Iceland and wound up on Santa's doorstep. Top space news is a bit surprising. The X pattern at the galactic center is so blatantly obvious here that it strains credulity to imagine this is just now being revealed. This observer hypothesizes that the equatorial disk of material and the polar jets from the galactic center are actually driving an hourglass pattern that appears as an X if you can't see it in 3D. Top story back at Earth is a lot scarier. After ISIS took this dam briefly in 2014, all maintenance halted, and it required constant maintenance. The sluice paths are jammed, and if the spring melts come fast and hard, there are 1 million people that will stare down a 65-foot wall of water when the dam breaks. That would be a 99% kill event for the affected areas if it happens. Lastly, folks, there is just 1 week left in the drive to fund the disaster prediction app. The observers have proven themselves a force already, but after some homework, I'm realizing we are just shy of being able to afford the best app programmers on the planet. I would have never imagined that was possible, and if you have been waiting or haven't yet checked out the project, I really urge you to do so. Link is found below and all over our websites. By the way, we got Deeper Look 17 and 18 out the last 2 days. Very valuable resources. We've got pressure and radar forecasts, current global conditions, the GPM's penetrative look at the cyclone that just rocked Fiji, and shots of our star to close. It's just after 4 a.m. in the Valley of the Sun. Eyes open, no fear. Be safe, everyone.